Oh, hey guys, it's me, Narendra Ram. So, it's our channel called Tani and Ram Rules. If you're new, you can subscribe in our channel. Support please. Okay, so today we're going to do this type of Lego. It's called Space Teams. You will enjoy this. First, you're going to take this thing. Second, no, not this thing. First, you're going to take this thing. Second, you're going to take this 2, 1. And so, take one of these and put this over here, like this. Second, you put this thing like this. No, wait. Yes. Like this. Second, you're going to put this thing over here. Yeah, here. Like this. Second, you're going to take this type of part. Put it like this. And second thing, you're going to take this type of guy and put it over here. And put it this thing. Put it over here, like that. Then the thing, you're going to take this. And second thing, there's two things over here. One is this and this. I combined it. If you take it, it's very hard. You will also only take it. And so you can put it like this. Okay, you can see, right? Second, we're going to take this ball of these. We got it 4 of these, and we got 4. Only leave the 2s and take 2 only. 2 only. We don't need another 2. So you put it like this. Second thing, put it like that. Like this. No, not like this. Yeah, like this. We're going to do the same thing right over here. Like this. You can put it 2 ways. First, you can put this thing and then put this. And second, you can put like this and then you can put like this. You're going to finish over this. Okay, so you see, you take this thing and put it like this. Second, then you take like this, put it like this. Second, you take this, put it like that. Oh, fun. Like this. Second thing, you take another one, and put it like this. Second thing, you're going to take this thing, you put it like this. We're finished now. Put it like this. Yeah, like this. And second thing, we got these. We need these 2. Second, we need these 2. Second, we need everything double. 2. First, you take this thing and put it like this. Sometimes you'll be careful. You must sit very close. It must be a hole. And the second thing, it won't be a hole. Don't put it without the hole. Put with the hole. Like this. The second thing, take this, put it like this. Yeah, one bullet is done. Second thing, check your... here you go. Okay. Same thing, that. Ding, shoo. Lots of hands. Just with the final touch. And we are done. Boom. Looks like the same, right? Matches? Okay. Bye guys. It's me, Narendra Ram. Bye bye.